Good morning.
There is a certain excitement at Antioch Lithonia Missionary Baptist Church.
I think we're starting to get another rush of people in.
An impressive turnout for a different sort of message.
The more I teach him, the dumber I get.
The laughter of 1,000 people quickly fades as a story on their church's stage takes an unexpected turn.
So there's a clinical trial for dementia and Alzheimer's, and I think that would be a good candidate.
Forget-Me-Not dramatizes what happens in most families when somebody is affected with a dementing disorder.
The play, Forget-Me-Not, is an outside-the-box attempt from Emory Brain Health Center to reach an at-risk group. African Americans are twice as likely to get Alzheimer's, but less likely to get help.
We want them to not do certain things, and that is to ignore the behaviors and think that they're going to go away.
Emory Brain Health Center's sponsorship of the play is a way to start a conversation that will hopefully lead to a relationship.
We wanted to come where we felt we could make an impact in a population that we really desperately needed to reach.
I think I'm going to go over to Emory.
This is the most difficult thing I've ever done.
And my best friend.
Garrett Davis wrote this play for his grandmother, whose name was Goodness.
Goodness was the apple of my eye, and I was the apple of hers. And when I went home from spring break and she didn't know who I was, I couldn't deal with that. Excuse me, I couldn't stand to see her like that. And so I didn't go back into the funeral.
The play and his role as June, the charismatic grandfather in the grip of Alzheimer's, is his gift to Goodness.
This is how I make up for it. This is how I give back. This is how, if someone else, who may be in my shoes, they'll handle it differently after seeing the play.
So mixed in with the laughter and the pain
I love you, Lisa.
is a request to join research.
Different diseases manifest differently in different people. Research is not a fearful kind of thing.
If you log into that website and you answer a couple of questions, you are now a research participant.
I would hate for us to come up with a cure for Alzheimer's disease and it doesn't work in us because we didn't take part in clinical trials.
The emotion on stage
I'm 69.
has made an impact by intermission.
I think black men have this real fear of hearing the truth. There's this macho thing.
Thomas Goins and his wife Sylvia say they're in.
My husband and I talked about it already, and so we're going to participate.
An unusual trip to church for a group asked to join a movement, one that will help maintain memories.
I'm sure she's smiling. I do everything for goodness sake.
I'm Jay Watson for Emory Brain Health Center.